Hi everyone! I have a package from Your Creative Studio. I'll leave a link down below to their website and to their Instagram. I used to do like monthly videos with them before, and they reached out and asked if I would do another unboxing for them, and I said absolutely. If you are into vintage or like really shabby, beautiful paper collections, you definitely need to go and check them on out. So this box right here is their February Lily box. Look at how beautiful. Their card always matches the kit. Absolutely stunning. Here's your little thank you card. Love it. Your box has your Creative Studio right here. It comes in this pretty little packaging paper. I saved this. I've used it several times in videos to show you guys how to reuse this. So I like to collage on it. I think it's really fun. So I'll go ahead and I'll use the other side and just go ahead and glue and collage on there. So let's see what we got in this kit. So this one comes with a stamp, and this is usually the stamp right there, so you get kind of like a little sneak peek as to what the stamp is. Okay, so from the last time that I had their kit, I want to say this is more like a washi sticker now. It was a lot easier to go ahead and pull apart. I usually try to keep it all intact and then reuse it. I do have an older video of where I took all of the envelopes and I used the washi tape to put them in together, so it was kind of like a little flip book. I thought that was super cute. And let's see, here is our stamp. Yes, it goes this way, so it says postcard right there. Beautiful. And then you can see all the fine little details of the stamp right there. Then we have this little set, Pink Dreams. It looks like a bunch of roses. Oh, there's some gold foiling in here. Oh, that's pretty. You can see a little gold foiling there. So you have like little oval, little like doilies. You get multiple of each. It looks like there's 3 of each. Oh, I didn't even notice that the little oval had the gold foiling as well. Then we have this one. Got a little doily again. Oh, that's pretty. Look at like a little heart shaped. This reminds me of like the sun. Isn't that pretty? I have this one. And that one. And this one. And then you see your packaging right here. Always save their packaging. They have the best packaging that you could go ahead and reuse. So there's this little vellum band right here that you can go ahead and reuse or leave it on here. Then there's this. If you're doing like a junk journal, it'd be really easy just to go ahead and add this into a junk journal. As you know, like you could just tuck this in and then use this flap to like go ahead and catch where your binding is. So love their packaging. I've reused it. I reuse this card almost every single time that I've done like a let's use our kit. I always use the little card somehow because I just think it's so cool that you can take their packaging and reuse it. Like I just love that. So nice when you can, you know, expand on what you have. Here's another little stamp right here. So hopefully this one peels as easy as the other one did. Yep. See, so it's like they changed their little label. I love that. I love that you can just peel this off and it doesn't rip or tear anything. So you can reuse it. So this one has 2 stamps. So we have our little lily postage stamp. And that's what that one looks like right there. And then this one's beautiful. It has like little script in the background. And then here's our flower. Love those. I love like postage. Anytime I get mail at home, I save the stamps. And you guys send me mail, I save the stamps. I love postage. I just think it's so pretty and like such like a classic thing too. So love it. And then look at this packaging again. Just beautiful. You could add some washi right here and glue it into a junk journal. Oh, but look at all of these back here. If you wanted to use these for like little mini stamps, you can definitely cut this up as well. And we just have a whole variety of vintage looking stamps right here. So pretty. So there was one strawberry, and I think the rest is all floral. I think that was the only berry. Oh, wait. Here's like a coconut. Oh, that rose right there. That like vintage rose. So, so pretty. Love those. Totally my vibe right there. And then let's see. This one we have some little ephemera pieces. And then this pack. This is giving me more like spring vibes, like pretty spring flowers. Again, look at that beautiful packaging. Save that little background card. So we had a little circle. We have a couple circles, some little hearts with flowers, like a little tag piece. These are actual like little tags right here, and you could pop out the hole right there. Oh, cute. Like a little mini tag. You can definitely do like a little miniature flip with these. Here's like a little circle with a little scallop. Super pretty. Love the purple. Oh, you could take like a little note, maybe stamp like the date on there. Super, super cute. But there's more. Here is another stamp. I love that you get so many stamps, and they're so detailed. Oh no, this wasn't stamped. This was washi. Oh yeah, see? I should have read. It says tape on there. So this is our washi. And it just matches our little lily collection. Love that. So that's why I'm saying you could go ahead and take this tape, put it on the edge, and then start gluing or taping actually your little envelopes together. Again, with the gorgeous packaging. How pretty is that? All gold. Beautiful little butterfly. Then you open it up and look, more gold. Oh my gosh, does every page have the gold foiling? I think it does. I love this. It looks like little vintage tickets, and then it has that gold and butterflies. This is definitely, oh look, there's one that doesn't have it. This is definitely my vibe. I would use just this little piece. Oh my gosh, I love this so, so much. Look at that dragonfly. So pretty. And then the numbers are foiled. Like I said, definitely check them out. I'm going to link their website and their Instagram for you guys. You guys are going to love them. So they are a subscription service that you could go ahead and sign up for. Or you could just go ahead and buy monthly. So it's really nice that, you know, once the kits come out, you can see if it's your style and something you would like. And then you could go ahead and get it. So it looks like we have like little ledger papers here. So there's like a variety of vintage letter paper. Look at that handwriting. Love that. I wish I had pretty handwriting. I definitely do not. I was not blessed with pretty handwriting. Look at that one. My godfather could write like just absolutely beautiful. Oh, I loved his handwriting. He had like the best. And he could totally do like that calligraphy, like little brush strokes with it. And he would do like the old English with all the like little swirlies. Oh my gosh, I loved his handwriting. I was so jealous. And he would just tell me, practice, practice. And I'm like, you don't understand, I'm not talented like that. Let's see, these are stickers, it says. I wonder if these are like washi stickers, because that's what it looks like to me. It says 20 designs, 40 pieces. Yes, this looks like little washi. If you don't want to use it as washi and you sew, you can always just keep it on the plastic and sew these down, and then you'll have like a little belly band. See, I wish I could sew, because I would definitely do that. I think that'd be so cool and so pretty. So I might save these. I keep saying I'm going to have my aunt teach me how to sew. Oh, look, that came off really easy too, in case you actually want to use it as washi. So hopefully I can get over to her house soon and have her show me how, like, the basics of sewing. It's so sad I have a sewing machine, but I have never even taken it out of the box. I've had it for a couple of years because I got it on clearance at Walmart, saying that I was going to learn. So I definitely need to get on that. And there's still more stuff in here, you guys. Here's another little box. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look, it's like already like distressed paper. So if I put this together and make like a little junk journal, a miniature one, I don't have to worry about the back being all white. So I love this. That is already on colored paper. I'm like, I feel like this has like texture to it. Kind of like wallpaper, it feels like, but it's actually paper. Yeah, it rips like paper, but has like texture to it. It honestly looks like it's just like a bunch of printing from wallpapers. Love those. Does it say how many different patterns we have? No, I don't know what it says. I don't read Chinese, so I have no idea what that says, but love that. We are almost through here, you guys. We have a little sticker sheet right here. These are going to be your clear stickers. Then we have, oh, see, these are textured too. So these are also little labels. Oh, but these are thicker. So they're maybe like a 65-pound cardstock type, you know, so it's not like computer paper. It's got a little thickness to it, and it is textured. Love that. Gonna have to stamp and play with those. And then here is our pack of paper, which is actually our last item. So you see you get a big pack here. So this one has 24 sheets, 6 sticker sheets, 6 vellum, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern paper. And then here's your measurement right there. Oh, look, there is your patterns right there. So you get one design of each in each type of paper. I love that they include vellum in here. Like, look at how pretty these are. I love vellum paper. Again, I just think it's so pretty and like classic and elegant. Love it. So here's a flip through of what your pattern will look like. And then, like I said, it will repeat in every design. Oh, I love that one. So then here's your regular paper. Is this one our sticker paper? Yep, this one is our sticker paper. So you could just feel it. Like when you're going through the paper, you can feel which one's the textured one, which one's like the computer paper one, which ones are the stickers. So it's really, really nice. And then, of course, the vellum's easy to spot. So that is our little video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I'll link everything down below in the description box for you guys. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'm more than happy to help you guys out. And we'll see you later. Bye, guys.